What if I told you that building your first $100,000 is easier than earning your second $100,000?
Welcome to the future of AI.
Setting aside a small amount every week might not seem like much at first, but consistency builds a secure future.
Today, I'll show you 5 simple steps Americans use to build wealth.
Creating a budget is the first step to financial freedom. It allows you to track where your money goes and helps you reach your savings goals faster.
Track your spending for just 30 days.
You'll immediately find money leaks.
Step 2. Build an emergency fund.
Unexpected expenses happen to everyone.
Aim for at least 3 months of expenses.
This prevents debt from destroying your progress. Step 3. From destroying your progress. Debt works against you every single day.
Debt works against you every single day. This saves thousands over time.
Step 4. Invest early.
Time is more powerful than money. Even small investments can grow dramatically.
That's because of compound growth.
Here's the formula that makes wealth grow. Albert Einstein reportedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. Let's look at a simple example. Let's look dollars. Sex this. Let's look at a simple invest $500 monthly for 20 years. Sex this. At 10% growth, you'll have hundreds of thousands saved. That's the power of patience.
Step 5. Increase your income.
Saving alone has limits. Your income potential is unlimited. Learn high-income skills.
Freelancing is one option.
Graphic design is another.
AI skills are in huge demand. Every extra dollar can become an investment. Avoid lifestyle inflation. can become an investment.
Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. Millionaires focus on assets.
Average consumers focus on liabilities.
The key is to start early. We capitalized on the market trends immediately, which is why our portfolio is diversified and resilient now.
Time matters more than perfection.
Mistake number 2. Chasing get-rich-quick schemes.
Wealth usually grows slowly.
Invest consistently.
Not through shortcuts.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.